Want to build a powerful AI chatbot using AWS and Amazon Bedrock but don't know where to start? In this video, we break down the steps behind creating a Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) API. Step 1. Understand RAG and its components. Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) improves chatbot responses by retrieving relevant documents before generating answers. Consists of retrieval, searching a knowledge base for relevant documents. Generation using an LLM, like Amazon Bedrock, to process and generate responses based on retrieved data. Step 2. Define the API architecture. Your API will handle user queries, fetch relevant information, and return AI-generated responses. The key AWS services involved: Amazon API Gateway exposes the Chatbot API endpoint. AWS Lambda handles API requests, invokes retrieval logic, and calls Bedrock. Amazon OpenSearch / Amazon RDS / Amazon DynamoDB stores and retrieves knowledge-based documents. Amazon Bedrock provides access to foundation models, examples: Anthropic Claude, AI-21, or Titan, for response generation. Amazon S3, optional, stores documents for retrieval. Step 3. Storing and indexing the knowledge base. Before handling API requests, you need a knowledge base for retrieval. Amazon OpenSearch indexes and searches unstructured data, examples: articles, FAQs, PDFs. Enables vector search if using embeddings. Amazon RDS, PostgreSQL / MySQL, or DynamoDB, stores structured data, example: customer support queries. Amazon S3, optional, stores large text files or document repositories for retrieval. Step 4. Implement retrieval logic to fetch relevant documents. If using OpenSearch, perform vector similarity search to find the most relevant index documents. If using RDS / DynamoDB, run SQL / NoSQL queries based on keywords or metadata. Step 5. Call Amazon Bedrock for response generation. After retrieving relevant documents, AWS Lambda formats the retrieved content into a prompt. It sends the prompt to Amazon Bedrock, examples: Anthropic Claude or AI-21, via API calls. The model generates a context-aware response. Step 6. Expose the API with Amazon API Gateway. API Gateway provides a secure REST endpoint for external clients. It forwards incoming user queries to AWS Lambda. API Gateway also supports authentication, IAM, API keys, Cognito, or OAuth. Step 7. Security and monitoring. AWS IAM roles and policies controls access to API Gateway, Lambda, and Bedrock. AWS CloudWatch monitors API performance and logs errors. AWS WAF protects against malicious requests. Step 8. Scaling and optimization. Amazon Aurora Serverless, if using RDS, scales the database automatically. Bedrock model selection: choose between AI-21, Anthropic, or Titan based on cost and response quality. Caching: use AWS Elasticache to reduce repeated API calls to OpenSearch or Bedrock. Final API flow summary. User sends a request API Gateway. Lambda processes the query, retrieves relevant documents from OpenSearch, RDS, or DynamoDB. Lambda calls Amazon Bedrock, generates a response. Response is sent back. API Gateway returns it to the user. Let me know if you want a deep dive into any section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AWS and AI content.